So, yes, I have been missing in action because, like all of you, most of you in India, I have also been very, very anxious regarding the whole COVID situation in our country. So, that's the reason I was really, worried and helpless, angry, and all of those things because of the sheer incompetence of our government to tackle the second wave. First, they were in denial, then they allowed mass gatherings, asked people to come to their rallies. When the top leaders are themselves behaving this way, then of course the citizens will be encouraged and they will be like, who cares? There's no COVID.
I don't know how I keep myself from falling down. I don't know how I'm still standing on the ground. I don't know why you keep wishing for me to change.
Hello everyone, this is Calliope, aka Kalpita Naidu, and it feels good to be back on YouTube. I really hope to make regular videos, but honestly, complete blockage, like really, like there was, I could not. Okay, I tried making some real videos. It's easier to make real videos, I feel, because you just use the ongoing trends and maybe give a twist to that trend, or 30-second के videos much easier होते हैं compared to making a longer YouTube videos. But I do want to make regular videos. It's just that I haven't been, honestly I haven't been, and कभी कभी guilty feel होता था, but then it's okay because everyone is going through the same thing. And well, so just wanted to give you guys a life update, what's going on. Basically kuch nahi ho raha hai. And just wanted to say that I'm safe, my mom is safe. She's got her first dose of vaccination, second dose is due in May. And I really like the arrangement at the hospital. We went, especially because my mom has arthritis and she can't really walk a lot, so there were wheelchairs provided. And as soon as I saw, like, my mom was struggling to, especially जब stairs होते हैं तो थोड़ा difficult होता है, so they themselves suggested कि will she be able to walk till the, because काफ़ी line थी, so otherwise take the wheelchair. So yeah, good arrangement made by the government. Okay, sometimes I feel really lucky to be in Mumbai. I feel things are thankfully not that bad, touch wood, because when I see the news and stories, people are seriously, they're so helpless, especially in Delhi and UP. I've seen what is the condition there, and people are just dying waiting to get a hospital bed or oxygen. And great work being done by the Sikh community, and I will provide the link in the description if you want to help. If you're watching from outside India, or even if you are an Indian who can help provide some medical supplies or whatever, little monetary help, I would provide these foundations. I would rather donate to these people who are doing such great work than the PM Care Fund. Yeah, I think the Chief Minister's fund is probably legit, because I feel that things are mostly taken care of better. But yes, there have been a lot of these fire, there's been some safety hazards overlooked. There has been fire at a lot of hospitals, and that is something which is really concerning, and I hope it's not repeated. Anyway, so yes, thankfully we are safe. I'm mostly indoors. I'm not really going out unless it's important. I don't know about getting vaccinated myself. I have been debating, but I don't know. I think I should. Uh, I think like most youngsters, we are like still thinking कि लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए. So let's see. Um, right now, I think there is a shortage of vaccinations also, especially in Mumbai. I know that much. So just want to give you a few tips on how you can stay sane during this period, because I know everyone is really going through a lot, and I can't imagine, okay, especially if any of your family members have covid, किसी किसी की family में सबको covid हो जाता है, and if it's not that severe then great, अगर severe है तो it's worrying, and not just physically but mentally also it can be so exhausting. These are the tips I have been following to stay sane. Firstly, acknowledge that yes, this is a difficult time. We have not seen something like this earlier. Okay, ऐसे कभी हम लोगों ने नहीं देखा है pandemic situation, and we don't know how to deal with it. And yeah, we do have this uncertainty है. We are worried about what will happen next, because अभी तो लगा था कि कोरोना हो गया, I mean डिक्लाइन हो रहा है, या अभी ये सेकेंड वेव आ गया. So when will this end? That's the thing. Okay, हर किसी के दिमाग में वो सवाल है. So yes, it is okay to feel this way. Okay, you're not alone. Second thing is, if you feel you need to take a break, if you feel you're not able to do your work, I know there are a lot of people again working from home, and I don't know how you people are managing, like especially जिनका 9 to 5 job होता था. It's honestly difficult, but काम तो करना है. But still try to not overwork. Okay, because आजकल work from home people are saying, but you're actually working more hours, because they are like अरे घर पे ही तो है. But no, your mental health is also important to be more productive. So please boss को बोल देना, especially आपको अगर पगार कम मिल रही है तो no need to ज़्यादा काम करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And tell them that this is not the way to treat your employees. गधा मजूरी कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So कुछ टाइम अपने लिए ज़रूर निकालना from your day, every day, and in that time do something which you like. Okay, if you yes, meditate करो. हालांकि मैं कुछ टाइम से meditation जो मेरा I have been doing regularly, which I have not done, because I was like I can't do it. I was like नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. I'll start from May again. So but yes, if you can at least just quiet your mind and do some 5 minutes 10 minutes meditation, just stay calm, switch off your phone especially, and meditate करो, या तो फिर listen to some relaxing music, listen to your favorite music. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस meditation music सुनना है. You can listen to 90s music अगर आपको पसंद है, गोविंदा के songs पसंद है, listen to that. Do whatever you like, dance करो, या तो paint if you like, cook at home जितना हो सके. It's very easy to junk food because you're feeling all this anxiety, but try and limit your junk food, या try and limit your cheat meals to one day, that's Sunday. Baki din try to eat healthy food to increase your immunity levels, stay healthy, because we are staying more indoors. So very important कि आप अच्छा healthy खाएं. And yes, try doing some physical activity, very important. I am doing my regular workouts with my trainer, and cardio also on my own. So I do miss going out for walks, but I can't because of the restrictions in Mumbai and Maharashtra. So try and do ghar pe, simple cardio workouts, or whatever workouts you follow, do yoga, जो भी आपको पसंद है. You can do a lot of things at home, like weights नहीं है तो water bottle ले लो, कोई heavy सामान है तो उसके साथ करो. If you have stairs, building में stairs हैं, वो थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे कर लो. So these are simple workouts you can do. Skipping, running, step up के लिए एक stool ले लो. Do the step up on that. Apart from that, yes, use your social media to help people. Definitely, I wouldn't say don't do that. लेकिन लिमिट भी कर देना social media का usage, because we are watching, consuming so much of news and so much of articles and so much of stories, of helpless people, and you want to help, but you also have to think about your mental health. तो रात को या तो फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ कर दो, साइलेंट कर दो, या तो एक लिमिट रखना. like don't constantly consume news, because it's gonna make you depressed. Okay, it will affect your mental health. And yes, like I said, use social media to help people. अगर आप वेरीफाई करके चीज़ें डालते हो, या किसी इन्फ्लुएंसर के पेज से, if you see some people are needing beds and oxygen cylinders and कुछ वो injections जो है medicines COVID के, so some people are providing free meals, some people are providing meals at less rate. So for COVID patients and all, so share that. This way you can use your social media to help people during this pandemic. And like I've said, if you can donate to these organizations which are doing really good work, you can do that. अपने आसपास भी अगर if you can try, कोई बस्ती है जहाँ पे लोगों को ज़रूरत है खाने की वगैरह, try and help them. Feed animals in your area. if कोई रेगुलरली करते हैं आप लोग, भले कभी नीचे कुछ लेने जाए तब कर देना. Just feed some simple things like rice, milk or biscuits or something to the dogs and cats. I'm sorry guys, ये background में noise, I mean it's a never ending process. Renovation पता नहीं कब ख़त्म होगा यहाँ पे. Apart from that, yes, just watch something, if everything gets too overwhelming, watch some good Netflix shows or Amazon Prime पे, या कोई movie देख लो. I have really been like binge watching things mostly, just not doing much. Okay, मेरा business भी affect हुआ है, because essentials are only allowed to be shipped, and that's why I'm not really promoting and posting a lot of things except maybe on WhatsApp. So yeah, I don't know, till 15 now they are saying it's again extend कर दिया है restrictions, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So business भी affected है लोगों के, and it's not easy. जैसे कहते हैं कि कोरोना से नहीं, पर भूखमरी से लोग मर जाएंगे. So if you feel that your business is getting affected, if you feel you're getting paid less, okay, than what you were making, I think this is also a time to discover, or rather do things which you always wanted. Yeah, find an alternate source of income. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, like maybe it's something like making jewelry. You want to start learning to make that and sell, or it's probably you are learning to paint and you want to sell that. Try and make your hobbies, turn that into an alternate, second way of earning, second income source. So yeah, this period is also, I feel, a great way to discover what else you can do, how can you contribute to your income in other ways. Okay, because things are pretty uncertain and you don't know what's gonna happen. So that's all, guys. um, I think these are the tips which I have been following, and I think you should also. I was a mess totally, and I'm just trying to get back to work as much as possible. That's it, guys. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'll try to make more videos. I was thinking of making a cooking video and कुछ styling का video मतलब आप देख लो, like I have not been buying stuff, okay, because कहाँ पहन के जाओ, जो है पुराने कपड़े भी I'm not like really wearing a lot. And yeah, my birthday is gonna come soon this month in May, and first birthday without dad, so it's definitely gonna be an emotional time. But this time I'm thinking of cutting a cake and maybe getting some lunch in dad के photo के सामने रख दूंगी first. Last year actually I did not cut the cake or even order, I think, because we were going through such a difficult time, and I was like, it doesn't feel right to celebrate. I had only donated some money for to NGOs, that's it. But this time I said no, I will celebrate. And that's about it, guys. So it has been a difficult year for a lot of people, including me, and you know, a lot of people I know, किसी ना किसी का कोई ना कोई घर पे they have lost, and so many people we know. It's really a sad time, and it's very difficult to stay positive, but उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. So that's about it. I don't know about the vaccination, like I said, but maybe I will take it. Let's see. Like अभी तो शायद shortage भी है, but let's see. I'll update you guys if I get vaccinated, and I hope to see you guys soon. Please hang in there, and that's it. Take care. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below and let me know how are you guys managing to stay sane in this pandemic second wave. And please share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you're liking my channel, my videos. Please guys, please subscribe. Okay, और भी videos हैं, please जाके देखो वो. And if you want to check out my last video, it's somewhere here. Until next time, it's bye bye for me. Take care.
Don't